Hello everyone, this is Dean from Derette. Today is Saturday. Today we will ship the 4 loaders for the V1000. Will be shipped for the 40 container. And this loader have the red and black color, and the worker is packing. Yeah, the counter win. And this is the full orange color. It's very handsome. Full orange. And this is also orange and green and light green color. And this is green color. Very good. Very good. And our colleague is exchange the red control handle. And the logo. Oh, good. And the worker is assembling the loader, the small loader, and the V1000. And this is a solid black color, and this is a matte black color. Yeah, I have a little difference. This is, yeah, and this is a full matte black color. Very handsome. The new staff, the V1000, and the full. The fuel filter is on top of the loader. The big arm is very left very tall, and the new track staff. Kubota engine. Full orange color.